Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the chapter that is geometrical figure. In last lecture, what we have learnt? Yes, we have learnt about circle. So today we are going to learn something more about geometrical figures, that is vertex and side. Before that, you have to tell me, did you complete your homework? Yes? Okay. Then you have to write your homework nicely with good handwriting. Okay? Shall we start? Okay. Then now we will start our topic, that is vertex and side. Now tell me, children, what is this? Can you identify? Yes, it's a blackboard. What is the shape of the blackboard? Yes, it is in rectangle shape. Okay? So tell me, what is this, children? Yes, it's a sandwich. Do you like to eat sandwich? Yes. Then, what is the shape of this sandwich? It is triangular in shape. Okay? Right. What is this, children? You always used to wipe your hand, to wipe your nose, to keep yourself clean. You used it. What it is? It is a handkerchief. What is the shape of this handkerchief? Yes, it is a square shape. Now I am going to explain you what is a vertex. Vertex is a corner or a point where lines meet. Now, for example, you can see the shape of this picture. It is a square in shape. Now, a square has how many corners? You can see here. See, this is the first corner. This is the second corner. This is the third corner. This is the fourth corner. Okay? These are the four corners of a square. So, these are called vertices. Okay? And each corner is called vertex. Suppose, see here is first corner, second corner, third corner, fourth corner. Each corner called vertex. The point where two sides meet is called a vertex. One corner will be called a vertex. Only one corner will be called a vertex. Okay? More than one corner, it will become a vertices. Okay? More than one corner. Understand? Then now we are going to see what is a side. Okay? Like this figure you can see here. How many sides are there? See. This is first side. This is a second side. This is a third side. This is a fourth side. Okay? It means a square has a four vertices and four sides. Okay? See here. This is first side, second side, third side, fourth side. Okay? Understood? Now let us see the next picture. See, this is a shape of rectangle. Okay? Here also you can see how many corners are there. See here. This is first corner, second corner, third corner and fourth corner. Okay? These are the four corners of rectangle. These corners are called what? Vertices. And these edges, see here. Side 1, side 2, side 3 and side 4. So here also you can say a rectangle has how many sides? 4 sides and 4 corners. And these are the angles of a rectangle. Okay? Do you know what is the symbol of right angle? See here. See, this is the symbol of right angle. So rectangle has 4 vertices, 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay. So it is very clear to you what is the vertex and what is a side. Now we are going to see about rectangle. Now children, you can see there are 4 points given on the figure. See here, A, B, C, D. Okay. These sides are called as edges. Okay. Suppose you can take one example. See here, side AB and side BC. Where they meet, which point is common at the both sides? See here. Yes, it is point B. In this side AB and side BC, the common point is B. So it is called a vertex. You see the other side. See here, side BC and side CD. Which is the common point here? See here, C. Okay, it is C. Same way, side CD and side DA. Which is the common point here? C. D. Okay. Yes, the fourth side DA and AB. Which is the common point here? Yes, it's a A. So, what are the vertices in this figure? See, name the vertices. A, B, C, D. Okay. See here. A rectangle has 4 edges, that is 4 sides. The point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. In the figure alongside A, B, C and D are the vertices. See here, A, B, C, D are the vertices. Here the sides AB, BC, CD and DA are the sides of a rectangle. Okay. The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. See here, AB and CD are the opposite side of the rectangle, are equal in length, and here side BC and side AD is opposite side, so they are in equal length. Okay. All the angles of a rectangle are right angles. Okay. The rectangle is also called a right angled quadrilateral. I hope you understood about rectangle. So today's homework is you have to draw this figure of rectangle and you have to write information about rectangle one time. And next topic, square and about triangle, we will see in next lecture. Okay. Bye students. Have a nice day.